You think you're craving food, but what you're really craving is comfort, relief, peace. That exhale that makes everything feel okay for a second. But the truth is, if comfort is the goal, food won't get you there. Not long term. I know what it feels like to reach for the food when you're not actually hungry. You're overwhelmed. You're stressed. You're lonely. And grabbing something to eat feels like a break from the pressure. But that break is temporary. Because 5 minutes later, you're still tired. You're still overwhelmed. And now you've added guilt to the mix. If comfort is what you're really after, start asking yourself, what would actually comfort me right now? Because comfort, it might look like rest. It might look like going for a walk, texting a friend, or just sitting in silence. It might even look like saying, I'm struggling, and giving yourself permission to feel that without numbing it. Food can be a part of healing, but it can't carry the weight of what you're avoiding. There were many times, especially before Zepbound, where I turned to food for everything. Stress, sadness, celebration, boredom, joy. Food was just my source of comfort, no matter the emotion. It wasn't about hunger. It was about soothing, escaping, or amplifying a feeling I didn't even know how to fully sit with. But the more I relied on food to carry my emotions, the more disconnected I felt from myself. Now, I check in. I ask, what do I actually need right now? And most of the time, it's not food. It's rest, stillness, joy, connection. And when I give myself that, I don't need to chase comfort in something that always leaves me feeling worse. So let me ask you, what are you really hungry for today? Drop it in the comments. Rest, connection, stillness, joy, whatever it is. And tell me, how can you give yourself that without abandoning your progress? Because the goal, it isn't just weight loss, it's healing. And remember, we can share our journeys, but we should never compare them. Bye.